This site is a companion for Vectorworks users and is primarily designed for those who work in the entertainment and events industries. The site will guide you through many of the tools that professionals use every day, and not just the industry-specific tools, but also the essential tools and methodologies that make up a sophisticated application like Vectorworks. The site's key goal is to help you get the most out of the Vectorworks program by showing the user how to leverage the core functionality, which will help you discover more for yourself. The site has over 350 video tutorials, and that number will grow month by month. To access a video, just click one of these icons. The site's content is indexed from these main headings and is searchable using this search bar. There are also hundreds of glossary entries, and if you hover over an underlined term that you're not sure about, then an explanation will be shown. You need to sign up for a membership to use this site, which you can do from here. A site like this can never be complete and will be continuously updated, with new content created every week. You will also be able to see what new content is being worked on by going to this roadmap page, and requests about new content are always welcome. If you have any suggestions, please get in touch. Welcome to showvector.com.